When it comes to SUVs, reliability matters more than anything else. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 most reliable SUVs in the world. Number 5. The Lexus RX 350 is one of the most reliable luxury SUVs ever created. While many luxury vehicles become expensive to maintain over time, the RX 350 is famous for combining premium comfort with Toyota-level dependability. Its elegant design, smooth performance, and quiet driving experience make it feel incredibly refined on the road. Inside, the cabin is filled with high-quality materials, advanced technology, and luxury features that create a first-class experience for both drivers and passengers. But what truly makes the RX 350 stand out is its long-term reliability. Owners often keep these SUVs for many years because they continue running smoothly with very few major issues. The Lexus RX 350 proves that luxury and reliability can exist together perfectly. Number 4. The Toyota Highlander is one of the most dependable family SUVs ever built. Known for its strong reliability, smooth driving experience, and excellent long-term durability, the Highlander has become a favorite choice for families around the world. Toyota designed this SUV to handle everyday life with ease, whether it's school runs, road trips, or years of daily driving. What makes the Highlander truly special is its reputation for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with very few major problems. Inside, the cabin feels spacious, comfortable, and packed with modern technology and advanced safety features that make every journey more enjoyable. The smooth ride quality and excellent fuel efficiency also make it practical for long-term ownership. Built with Toyota's legendary engineering and reliability, the Highlander continues to stand among the most trusted and reliable SUVs on the planet. At number 3, Toyota RAV4, one of the most reliable SUVs ever created. This SUV has become incredibly popular around the world because of its durability, practicality, and ability to last for years with very few major problems. Whether it's daily commuting, family road trips, or long-distance driving, the RAV4 handles everything with confidence and reliability. What makes this SUV truly special is Toyota's reputation for building vehicles that can survive hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Inside, the cabin is spacious, comfortable, and packed with modern technology and advanced safety features that make everyday driving easier and more enjoyable. The smooth performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs make it a favorite choice for millions of drivers worldwide. The Toyota RAV4 perfectly earns its title as one of the most reliable SUVs on the planet. Runner-up at number 2. The Honda Pilot is one of the most dependable 3-row SUVs ever built. Designed for families who need space, comfort, and long-term reliability, the Pilot has earned a strong reputation for handling everyday life without major problems. Its spacious interior, smooth ride quality, and practical design make it perfect for road trips, school runs, and daily commuting. What makes the Honda Pilot truly impressive is how reliable it remains even after years of heavy use. Many owners drive these SUVs for hundreds of thousands of miles while spending very little on major repairs. Inside, the cabin offers plenty of passenger space, modern technology, and advanced safety features that make driving easier and more comfortable. Built with Honda's trusted engineering and durability, the Pilot continues to be one of the smartest and most reliable family SUVs in the world. Taking the number 1 spot. The Toyota Land Cruiser is more than just an SUV. It's a global legend, known for its unmatched durability and reliability. Built to survive some of the harshest environments on Earth, the Land Cruiser has earned a reputation for lasting decades with proper maintenance. From deserts and mountains to rough off-road terrain, this SUV is designed to handle conditions that would destroy many other vehicles. What makes the Land Cruiser truly special is its bulletproof engineering and powerful performance, combined with incredible long-term dependability. Inside, the cabin offers a perfect mix of luxury, comfort, and advanced technology, making it suitable for both adventure and everyday driving. Around the world, people trust the Land Cruiser because it rarely lets owners down, even after hundreds of thousands of miles. This SUV is not just reliable, it's one of the toughest vehicles ever made. These SUVs are trusted for a reason. They're built to go the distance. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart car guides.